In this little clip, I show you several different angles and perspectives from 3 different spoilers which AOSK has in their assortment. There's like a version 1 and a version 2 and one they call the OEM style. I show you all different angles, and in the video description below you find the links to the products. Enjoy the show. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you require more photos from different angles, just send me an email or send me a message. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Have a good day.